Lero pa Nyasa VoiceBox menekhani zimakhala zandale kuyendetsa bwino kwa dziko komanso ulamuliro otsatira bwino malamulo kuno kwathu Malawi. Tafuna tikuonetseni kakanema kena kamene kuonetsa Olemekezeka Mayi Esther Jolobala. Olemekezeka Mayi Esther Jolobala ndi phungu wa nyumba ya malamulo wa chipani cha United Democratic Front UDF kumene ndithu amayimira anthu aku Machinga East. Nde Mayi Jolobala amalankhula mu nyumba ya malamulo mokwiya kunena kuti ayi IMCP yitu alephera kukwaniritsa zinthu zimene iwowa adalonjeza pa kampeni, ndipo sitimatengeranso kuti mwina zinthu zifika pamene zilili pa timene kuti basi tingowachotsa Boma teremu yawo isanathe pa chizungu timene kuti impeachment. Ndi limodzi pa Nyasa VoiceBox kuti timve kuti Mayi Jolobala kamene kuti Olemekezeka Mayi Jolobala analankhula bwanji ku nyumba ya malamulo pano pa Nyasa VoiceBox.
Madam, I would like to ask the honorable ministers to listen to my contribution. Then if they have answered, they should be able to be given a space to respond. They cannot keep on responding or shut us up so that we should not speak. We are here where we are because of this executive proud, because they are not listening. So they should listen first, and they should come up with solutions. That is why we put government in place. If they don't have answers, if they have answers, they should inform Malawians what is it that they are doing for them to protect Malawians. They should not defend their positions. We are struggling in Malawi. People from Chitipa, they are struggling. People from Rumpi, they are struggling.
I'll give you space
People from Nzimba, they are struggling. People from where I'm coming from, Machinga, they are struggling. And Madam Speaker, we have been seeing the president, the vice president, going into Adimak depot saying, release the maize, release the maize. Yet there is no maize where I'm coming from in Machinga. They are keeping the maize, yet people are starving. In Machinga, remember, Madam, is where we are eating Chitipa. Even since that time, Madam, if we have something to eat, it was WFP. They gave us 2 bags for 2 months. Since that time, Madam, we haven't received any bag from the government for the rainy season. It was only 2 months given by WFP, and they claim they are there. People are suffering. People are dying with hunger-related diseases, and they are here shouting, pumping themselves like they are doing anything. They are not doing anything. And the Malawians are aware that they have failed. This is a failed government, and they promised a lot of things. They have failed to fulfill their promises. We are not going to vote for them come 16 September 2025 this year. Whether by power or force, whether they use power or whatever means they are going to use, Malawians have suffered. Malawians from Ukasia, they are also suffering.
You have a minute to go. Consider winding up.
Where the president is coming from, people are also suffering. I know from Kasungu, people are suffering from the rising of things. So they have been here, they have been given 5 years for them to prove themselves. Why should they be given another time to rule Malawi? Madam Speaker, as I'm sitting down as a representative of the people, actually we were supposed to impeach them even before finishing their 5 years, because they have disserviced Malawians. Malawians have been suffering under the leadership of Chakwera. Yet Chakwera is a bastard. Madam Speaker, with these few remarks I submit.
Honourable Leader of the House, and there was a deputy